Hey there! Ka-chow! Es hora de enfrentarlo. Aquí mando yo, enciendan las luces. Cuando caiga el sol, este es mi juego y tú vienes a perder.
Hello, Racing Red fans and superstars out there. Today we're going to be reviewing the Disney Pixar Cars 3 Easy Idle Racing Tractor. So I got this like a few weeks before second period or second semester ended. So yeah. So first let's take a look at the packaging. So on the name tag it says Easy Idle Racing Tractor. Here's the diecast. His artwork is nice. He's new for 2021. It says Disney Pixar Cars and the metal logo at the top. On the back has his prototype picture with his name in multiple languages. As seen in Cars 3. And on the bottom says what Piston Cup Productions thinks is stupid. Come on, focus. There. Empowering the next generation through Play Mattel logo. Now let's get to unboxing this brand new diecast. So here is the Easy Idle Racing Tractor right out of its package. So here is the diecast. So let's start taking a look at him. Don't focus on the background. Focus on the vehicle. There you go. So on the hood says, you can't even see it. There. So on the hood says Easy Idle. His mouth looks really swaggy. It's the normal Piston Cup, Combustor, Carbon Cyber, and Synergy sponsors from the next gen racers are still there. There the tractor's organs of the tractor, which I don't really like to talk about. His number is 15 because he's based on Easy Idle racer Harvey Rodcap. On the back, there's a number 15 with the Easy Idle logo, which with the rookie stripes, which I don't know if the rookie stripes are supposed to be there, because by that time, that is Harvey Rodcap's second season in the Piston Cup. I think his first season was in 2016 as one of the first 6 next-gen rookies to hit the track, not counting Jackson Storm. Those being him, Ryan Insidelini, Aaron Clocker, H.J. Hollis, Ed Trunken, and Tim Treadless. To compare him, I basically have another Easy Idle predecessor, Ruby Oaks. I hope to do a team review. I hope to do some team reviews, like I did, like on my first channel, like I did with Team Igniter, and I hope to do more soon. But here is Ruby with the tractor. Oh, hold on. So here he is with Ruby Oaks. Of course, numbers are different because this is 2006 number 51, and this is 2016 number 15. Of course, he has the really nice, what me and Titunes like, next-gen tires, but it's a mix between tractor tires and next-gen tires. Well, kind of, because it has next-gen tires, but it has tractor rims. That's really cool. But that's basically it for the review of the Easy Idle Racing Tractor. So let me just set the picture in the background. And now let me try to get a thumbnail. Alright, that was basically it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching Racing Red Superstars, and good luck on you guys turning superstars. I'm out of here. See ya.